Hey guys, Kirk from Force Induction Interchillers here. I want to introduce you to our Ram TRX Stage 2 kit. Now on this particular truck, we're only doing it with our Stage 2 kit because it runs so hot. I want to walk you through the kit here. We pre-make all of your lines for you. We've made custom fittings here. So this is your suction line fitting to integrate into the factory suction line seamlessly. Liquid line fittings here as well. None of this can be seen on the truck. I'll show you that here in a minute. We've also got a custom made T-piece. Here you can relocate your high side pressure sensor to this location. So that ensures when you do go chiller only mode that the AC compressor still continues to run at full displacement. Now we've got extra insulation here. This allows you to insulate your intercooler fluid lines, make sure everything's insulated so you can get the best benefit possible. With the Stage 2 kit, we're running a secondary AC condenser and a spow pusher fan. When you go into chiller only mode, this fan is going to turn on and further reduce the temperatures. But full time, this condenser is eliminating all the heat out of your AC system to get those temperatures all the way down. Comes with a full mounting kit, insulation, like I said, heat shielding. What we're doing here is we're insulating this suction line, and then in the engine bay area, you'll apply this heat reflective tape to keep extra heat out of it. You can also use some of that on the intercooler fluid lines. Now, all kits come with a t-shirt, stickers, but most importantly, simple to follow USB instructions which contain a video on there. You just simply follow along, bolt all of this onto the car seamlessly. Very easy to follow. On the chiller core here itself, we've got AN12 water ports. This allows you to run push lock water fittings. Now these fittings are optional on our website because some guys might want to run braided hose, or if you just want to keep it simple, option up the push lock fittings. 3/4 inch rubber hose will just simply push on and go in place. Now, like I said, we've got a 30-foot roll of caulking tape here. That allows you to insulate all of the water fittings, AC fittings, and your suction line fittings there as well. Very, very seamless. Over here, this is our Hellcat spacer kit. This is optional. Comes with optional titanium bolts as well. Now this alone will reduce the blower running temperature by about 30 degrees. We're strongly advising you guys to run this with the kit because this truck does run extremely hot. That's our kit there, guys. 100% plug and play, very easy to bolt on. Get it on to the car, go for it. Here in the engine bay, you can see here, our suction line fitting is here. And a very OEM sort of appearance, you can't really see it unless you're looking for it. And then down there, we have our CNC fittings plugging into those factory connections. So as you can see, you can't see anything. Then here at the front of the car, you can make out a couple of fittings in behind there, but that's it. You can't see it. Very stealthy install. All right guys, it's actually 102 outside and we're getting 35 to 37 for fluid temperature at about 55 miles an hour. So very nice and cold. All right guys, 50 miles an hour, 102 degree day. I know it says 100, but it's actually 102. Getting 47.9 at the vent there. And fluid temperatures hovering around 58 to 59 there.